Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing and locating the third-degree contact. Make sure your profile is complete and looks professional so introductions land. Next, search the person by name, company, or keywords and open their profile to see mutual connections. Once you spot a mutual contact, decide who knows them best and who will likely reply promptly. Now choose that mutual connection and prepare a concise reason for the introduction. This sets the stage for the outreach you'll send in the next step. You now craft and send a polite, actionable introduction request to your mutual connection. Start by reminding them how you know each other and why connecting to the third degree helps. Be specific about the goal. Then paste 1 or 2 sentences they can forward verbatim, which increases the chance they'll send it. Explain what value or context you add so the introducer feels comfortable. Make sure to include the target's LinkedIn link and a suggested subject line to minimize friction. Once you receive an introduction, act fast. Send a brief, personalized connection message within 48 hours that references the introducer and states the first step you propose. If the mutual won't introduce, pivot immediately, join a common LinkedIn group, comment on their posts, or use in mail if you have premium. Make one polite follow-up after a week if there's no response, and if you still get no reply, stop pushing. Respect boundaries and try a different mutual or channel. Troubleshooting tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.